Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for the first look, we're going to fold the scarf into 4 or however long your scarf is. You can fold it however. And then I put it at the back of my head as I'm doing over here. And then I tie the front into a knot. And then try to adjust your ears so it feels comfortable in the back. And I make another knot again. And then I try to open up the front and tuck it. Just trying to create like a flower look over here. And tuck the front again. And I do the same thing to the ones in the back. And then I try to tuck it. Tuck it in the back. Just like play it around with it. And to have it like a flower look. Trying to tuck my sideburns in, guys. And this is the final look. Guys, don't mind my hair, please. I know it looks rough. So for the second look, I put a hairnet and then I take another scarf, like even your clothes can work, and just put it in the back to create like a ponytail, because you know my hair is braided down, so yeah. And then I take the scarf. These ones, the edges are a bit rough, so I just fold it in a little. And then I put it on top of my head. And then I tie it in the back. Guys, all the links to these scarves will be linked below, so don't worry about it. And then I adjust it. Pull it back a little bit just to make it feel a little bit comfortable. And then I take the loose ends and I wrap it around my fake ponytail. And then I just tuck it in. These scarves are 100% cotton, so they're a bit stiff, but with one wash they become a bit flexible. So here did not wash yet, so it's kind of stiff and it was hard for me to like tuck it in. But just be patient and you get it. Just tuck it in. Just play around with it, trying to create like a fake low ponytail over here. And keep tucking, as you can see. And this is the final look. Beautiful. So for the third look, I place the scarf at the back of my head and try to adjust it as we did before with the ears, and just tie a knot in the front. Fix your ears, the back and everything, and then try to do a twist with the 2 loose ends and then just wrap it around. That easy, guys. And just tuck it in. And then you have your turban. Beautiful. And this is the final look. Guys, excuse the back of my head, please. And for this one, I did the same thing that I did before, but I placed the face scarf in the back like a bit higher, just to give me a little bit of volume in the back. And then I take this scarf, fold it in the front again, and just place it on my head. And then tie it in the back. Just adjusting the front to make it look a little bit nicer and tight. And you see? And then I just take the loose ends from the back and then just put in the front and then tack it in the back again. And I do the same with the other one also. Just try to adjust it to your liking. And just tuck it in again in the back. Again, where I got these scarves will be linked down below. And just fix it up to see how you like it. Just tucking in loose ends in the back because you don't want it to fall out. And this is the final look, guys. With this one, I placed the fake scarf on a little bit higher than the previous ones. And then I put it in the back of my head. And then as you can see, like I shift the scarf all the way to like close to the end to have one side a bit longer than the other. And then I just put the short side over to the front. And then now take the long piece, adjust the front, and then just keep wrapping it around. And you have to make it a bit tighter just so the front is not loose. Just keep wrapping it around like I'm doing over here. And then at the end, just tuck it in the back. And just keep playing with it in the front, like keep tucking, push it back a little bit to make it feel a little bit comfortable. Just tucking in the front again. And just keep adjusting to whatever you like. And once you see that it looks like how you like it, excuse me, and that's the final look. Very easy, guys. These are very easy to do. For the next look, I just put my hairnet on and I placed the scarf at the back of my head. Just adjusting it as usual, in the back and in the front. And then I make a knot in the front. I make another knot again. And then you just open up the scarf. This one is a bit stiffer than the others. So however you open it or however you shape it, it turns out very nicely. And then just tuck it in. Guys, I was struggling here trying to find where to tuck because I think I made the second knot a bit too tight. So when you do yours, like make this second knot a bit looser so you can tuck it in nicely. Just trying to tuck it in. And just like playing around with it. There's no specific way I was trying to do this. I was just, oh guys, you see right here, it just came out. And I just pick it up again and just tuck it in. I was avoiding tucking it in the front, but at the end, that's what I ended up doing. And just find some ways to tuck it in. Yes, in the back, and then do the same thing in the front. Like the stiffness of the scarf just makes it into this beautiful flower. Like I don't even know how to explain it. You just see it in the video. It looks very nice. You just tuck in the rest. Try to pull it down front so your hairnet is not showing. And that's the look, guys. Didn't really do much here, but it just turned out good. Tucking in those sideburns. Now for the final look, I put the scarf at the back of my head like we've been doing throughout the whole video.